video, we're going to look at the linearization of demand using Desmos. So let's look at our monthly demand of a particular streaming device given by the formula D of P is equal to 1000 minus 0.05 P squared, where P is the price and D of P is the quantity demanded at that price. So in order to complete the linearization, I need to find the demand at 100 as well as the derivative of the demand at 100. So over here in Desmos, I'm going to go ahead and enter in the function. So I'm going to type in D of P equals 1000 minus 0.05 P squared. And since I know what the domain is going to be, I'm going to go ahead and create this. I'm going to use curly brackets and say 0 less than P less than 150. And close off the curly bracket. So this is going to be the domain that I'm going to set for this function. And so if I look at the graph, notice it begins graphing at price equals $0. It will continue to graph until we have a price of $150. Next, I'm going to choose A as the center of our linearization. So A is going to be equal to 100. Now I'm going to go ahead and create a slider that allows it to go from 0 up to, let's say, maybe about 140. That's where it crosses the axis. And so what I really want to know is what is the demand at this center of 100, A. And so what I notice is D of A is equal to 500. What is A? A is 100. So this is our demand at a price of $100. So I can fill that in. Next, we're going to look at the derivative. So I'm going to do D, and then we're going to divide by dA. So this is the derivative with respect to the A of the demand function at A. And so here I'm just doing the derivative of the demand function evaluated at A, which is 100. So this is the derivative of the demand at 100, which is negative 10. And that's where we have the negative 10 as the derivative, and it goes in the linearization here. So here we've actually been able to calculate a value and its derivative at a particular point in the process of creating this linearization or this tangent line. So if I wanted to be a little creative and actually graph the tangent line and do some approximations here, I could create the tangent line, and since A is 100, let's say the linearization of P, L of P is equal to, I can say 500 minus 10 times P minus the 100. And so here I have my tangent line in red. And so if I wanted to approximate using the tangent line what the demand might be for these particular prices, I can simply just say L of 102, and there I get 480, and L of 95, and that would be 550.